Welcome to Arzellia Bimodal AI, where ArzelliaGPT refinements enhance your AutoML-based forecasting. When defining a new scenario, users can leverage ArzelliaGPT to propose refinements across all categories over time, improving upon the baseline AutoML forecast. By integrating real-time insights from the web, ArzelliaGPT refines predictions based on evolving trends, industry reports, and external market conditions. To generate refinements, simply use a well-designed GPT prompt tailored to your forecasting needs. ArzelliaGPT will suggest adjustments, which users can fine-tune to align with company ethics and strategic goals, ensuring forecasts reflect new consumer behaviors, regulatory changes, and emerging economic factors. Once refinements are generated, users can bulk apply them across selected categories with a single action. These enhanced assumptions are then seamlessly integrated into the scenario, improving forecast accuracy and aligning projections with real-world dynamics. With ArzelliaGPT-driven refinements, AutoML predictions, and Excel integration, the scenario module provides the most dynamic, data-informed forecasting experience. Unlock the power of bimodal AI forecasting today.